all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create a AI chatbot for your own fashion design business. So as you can see, something like this chat is going to happen between the user and the AI chatbot. I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI chatbot. So let's say some users type hey and send this hey on WhatsApp. Within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to reply to this user. So yes, now it is saying, hello again, how can I assist you today? So let's ask the question, how long does it usually take to make a bridal lehenga? And I'm going to send this message. So once I'm going to send this message, within seconds and in real time, it is replying me. And you're going to see within seconds and in real time, it is replying me. A bridal lehenga typically takes between 6 to 8 weeks to make, and the rest of the details. If you need sooner, express trailing options are available. So let's say I'm just going to type consultation mode because I want to book the consultation. So I'm just going to ask about the consultation mode, and it is going to share me the consultation mode also within seconds and in real time. And you're going to see over here it has shared me the procedure, and further using this procedure I can book my bridal lehenga. And how does this AI chatbot knows how much time we take to create a bridal lehenga? So I have uploaded this knowledge base, and using this knowledge base I have created this AI chatbot, and I'm just going to show you the perfect example for this. Let's say I'm just going to ask the range of this men's suit. I'm just going to type men's suit, and I'm just going to send this message, and as you can see we have entered in the knowledge base. The range is between 15,000 to 60,000, and you're going to see it is replying me the same, and also it is replying the time it will take to create this. So as you can see that this is no magic, this is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. As you can see, the booking and the consultation process is also exactly the same which we entered right over here in the knowledge base. So let's see how we created this AI chatbot, and let's see how you can also create this AI chatbot for your own fashion designing business. So to do this, open a new tab and grab your laptops. Search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send up to 100 WhatsApp messages for free. If you are an existing user like me, then click on this sign in, and it will take you to all Pabbly apps. Go on Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. Once you click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. First of all, you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, click on this add WhatsApp number button. It is going to ask WhatsApp connect or manual token connect. So video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. I have already added my WhatsApp number, so let's move on further and create this AI assistant. For that, I'm going to go to this left hand of the side towards this AI assistant and click on this add AI assistant. Now I'm going to name my AI assistant as Fashion Designers AI Chatbot, and then I'm going to click on this add AI assistant button right over here, and a window something like this will appear in front of you. After we open this window, you're going to see it is asking for the instructions type. So over here we have multiple options, custom prompt and the examples too. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, then you can select it as custom prompt and give the instructions customly unique to your own business. But over here to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, also a futuristic fashion advisor. So if you wish a futuristic fashion advisor, you can select it right over here. But I want to create this basically for booking and the consultation processes, so I'm going to select it as AI agent. Now the instructions will be added automatically. You don't have to change this, but if you wish to add some points, you can definitely add or delete some. But if you wish, you can definitely keep it as exactly the same and move on further. Now it is asking for the temperature. So over here you have to set how creative the answers are going to be. So I want the answers to be very creative, so I'm going to keep it as 0.7. If you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively, and if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. Now it is asking me to select the AI to use, so I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. Now for the API key, I've already saved this API key, but if you haven't saved this, you're going to receive this blank right over here. What you have to do is you have to go towards this OpenAI API key page, and from here you can get your API key. And after you log in, you have to click on this create new secret key. You have to enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy the key and paste it right over here in this API key section and click on this connect. Now you can see it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So now let's move on further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So if you wish to add the header and the footer message, you can switch it on and add it right from here. The next is the stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can use multiple keywords. You just have to type the keyword like this and then press enter to add the keyword. Let's say the user is chatting with the AI assistant and they want a human review, so they can type stop or they can type human, and automatically the AI assistant is not going to reply to that chat further. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. Now we have this retry attempt. So here you can specify the number of fallback attempts if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. The valid range is between 1 to 10. Now we have this fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So as you can see, I've added the support email address of my own business right over here, so that if the user has some emergency, they can contact me on Gmail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. After doing this, let's move on further towards this knowledge source. This is the most important part of our today's video, which is the knowledge source, because using this knowledge source only the AI assistant is going to reply me. So first of all, make sure that you enter the knowledge source very unique to your business. First of all, include about and the brand introduction, then include who we are, then move on further, include your mission, what you offer. If it is possible, include the pricing, the turnaround time, ready to wear collections, average pricing, accessories, and why they should choose you as their fashion designer. Then include the booking and the consultation processes, payment and delivery details, order tracking, alteration and exchange policy, and some FAQs, which is very important. After that, include the contact and the support details too for your own fashion designer brand. So yes, this is very important that you include all of these details. After you include all of these details, jot down all these details into a Google document, then go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDFs are supported, but I'm just going to suggest you to download this in TXT format because TXT is preferred. After you download this, simply choose the file right over here which you downloaded and upload the knowledge base. So TXT is preferred because for PDF we have no page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it totally depends upon you. I have simply uploaded my knowledge base in TXT format. Now let's move on further towards the AI interface. So over here you have to enter the heading name. So enter your brand name over here. Alright, so let's open our knowledge base and let's copy the brand name and we're going to paste the brand name. And once you edit on the left hand of the site, on the right hand of the site, it will edit it automatically. Same goes for the initial message. You have to type the initial message and then press enter to add the initial message. Further, if you want to display the powered by Pabbly label, you can keep it as enabled. Otherwise, you can disable it right from here. Now we have this footer text and the footer link. So if you wish to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy, you can add the footer text and footer link accordingly. If you add the footer link, the text will convert into the link. Otherwise, it will remain a plain text like this. Now we have this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey because there's no need of I need help in a fashion designing business. So I'm just going to keep it as hey. You can customize this according to your own choice. Now let's move on further. The next is the styling. So over here you can style your AI chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the colors and also the profile pictures, and you can customize this AI chatbot just like you want. After doing this, you have to turn on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant to save this AI assistant. And once you save this AI assistant, you are ready to make this run for your own fashion designer business. If you want to add this AI assistant on your website, you can go to this embedded. You're going to get this script, so copy this script and paste it on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone visits your website and click on this chat with us button, then start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message will be sent from that user towards you on WhatsApp. The AI assistant is going to get activated and reply to all the users further. Next, what you can do is you can also assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts. So let's say if you wish to assign assign this AI chatbot to a particular contact, so from the left hand of the side, you have to go towards this inbox section. And once you come on this inbox section, you have to select the contact to which you want to assign this AI chatbot. So let's say if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to this contact, then simply click on this choose AI chatbot and you can assign this AI chatbot right from here. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, go towards this settings and then inbox settings. Once you come on this inbox settings, you have to scroll and enable this AI auto replies. Select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list, and then you are ready to run this AI assistant in real time, and it is going to run in real time and reply to all the user queries like I showed you in the starting of this video. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Further, if you like Pabbly Chatflow and if you wish to purchase it, a coupon is given in the description box below. You can use this coupon to get heavy discounts on your plan. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.